Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be doing a little different video. I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic starter fire survival kit. So you want to start off with your tin can, which you can use an Altoid can, or just go buy something like this from dollar store, wherever you want to go. And then you get your cotton balls, which you can get anywhere, and you're just going to tear them apart, kind of like this, spread them out a little bit, put them in there, and then you want to take your Vaseline petroleum jelly, which is going to be the fuel for your fire and keep it going and keep you from dying when you're stranded in the woods, which hopefully won't happen. And you're just going to kind of spread it on there because you don't want to put the whole thing in your tin can. It won't fit. And just kind of do that. And it's a little messy, but just bear with me. And one of the more important parts, your matches. You want to take some of those, probably more than two, put them in there, and your board, and put it in there. And you can get matches anywhere, and I do recommend, these are not, but I do recommend buying waterproof matches because they're waterproof, and if it's raining and you're dying, you will have more of a chance to survive. So yeah, put a lid on your can if it doesn't run away, and you're done and you're ready to survive.